Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys my Camille Rose Honeydew Liquid Moisture Refresher. I have been absolutely enjoying using this refresher. So what I typically do is spray it in my hair in the middle of the day or right before I style it. But typically in the middle of the day, if I feel my hair is dry or I want to refresh my waves or curls, then I'll spray this in there. So I absolutely love the smell. I love the way it makes my hair feel. And I love that it has honey in it because honey is really good for keeping my hair moisturized. I choose this liquid solution because my hair has a really hard time taking in thicker substances. So I like to go with like a water-based moisturizer to put in my hair. And I think it works phenomenally. So if you're looking for something that is moisturizing, that is liquid, I think this is a good choice, especially if you have a protective hairstyle like braids and you can't put like a thick moisturizer on it. This is a good refresher to keep your braids moisturized. And that's my point of view.